Well, good morning, harvest chasers. This is kind of crazy. It is like September 20th, 2023. I'm heading to Notre Dame this morning and I am coming across some silage harvesting. 7:53 in the morning. This is like the earliest I've ever caught like farmers, so let's check it out. Wow, this is cool. Off southbound on US 131. So this is cool. Wow. This is awesome. We're gonna take a little time out and do, oh, I'm not sure if it's silage harvesting or what they're doing there. Those look like full corn stalks right there. Wow. This is interesting to see this. We'll check it out. Let's go see if we can get a video of this guy, this machine up here, whatever it is. Looks like it was full ears of corn. I thought it was like silage harvesting, but it's not. So we're gonna check it out right up here. Wow, whatever this is pretty cool. Let's check her out. He looks like he's already filled. He's gotta wait for the next grain cart, but those are like dump carts. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is like a form of silage harvesting, I do believe. But this is cool. Looks like John Deere, but I have to catch the name of that machine up there. But wow. This is awesome. Not sure what county I'm in right now in Michigan, but this is pretty cool. Good morning, farmer. Got a big John Deere 8310. Check her out. Oxbo. Those are some pretty cool dump carts right there.
This is, we're normally like a month into it right now.
Wow, well my name's Joe.
Right now we're 3 weeks into it, but.
Wow. Well, my name's Joe. Make a long story short, I like combines and I used to film farmers, take pictures like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
During the pandemic, I ended up taking like 215 farmers.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel, I'm close to 15,000 subscribers.
Oh, well, cool.
But
My
yeah.
name's Cheryl.
What type of, I thought, is this a form of silage harvesting?
No, it's seed corn.
Seed corn.
Yeah.
Wow, my first seed corn video. So what is exactly seed corn?
So the field corn that farmers will grow next year, this is where their seed comes from.
Okay.
So this is DEKALB seed.
What type of seed?
DEKALB.
Okay, that's the brand?
Yeah. So Deere owns DEKALB, the brand.
Okay.
This seed will all be packaged under the DEKALB name.
Is this like this whole field the same type of seed or is it different? Okay. So this machine is basically separating the whole cob?
It's the head pulls the ear off of the stalk and then it goes up into the machine and there's a big giant giant fan that like it blows anything what we call trash, which would be leaves or stalks that make it up in there. It blows the majority of that out the other side of the picker.
Wow.
And then it's like a bucket line conveyor that pulls it up vertical and then drops it into the elevator conveyor and then into the cart.
And this company Oxbo, Oxbo, is this like their specialty, this type of machine, or? Yeah,
they're all specialty type of equipment. They make like, this is a seed corn / sweet corn picker, so you can also pick sweet corn with it.
Okay.
And then they also make like grape harvesters and different fruit type of harvesters.
So it doesn't like matter, like usually like I think farmers like typically with the field corn they wait until like around 11 o'clock or the morning dew.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter for the morning dew at this time of the morning?
No, not with your corn.
No, okay, not with your corn.
See, this will all go, it goes to the plant and they dry it down in big dryers. Each bin will hold about 4 semi-loads worth of ear corn.
Okay.
And then it takes about 3 days to dry it down because we harvest it at higher moisture than what you would field corn. And then it will get shelled off of the cob at the plant.
Wow. And what my question with the rain this year, because we were so dry in the beginning, did that affect your fields, or
it just made us irrigate a whole lot more?
Okay. So has it been like a good year for you guys?
Yeah. We won't know our yields until probably mid to late November, because with the seed corn it doesn't yield near as good as what field corn does.
You guys gonna make it down to the stand?
Yeah, I should. It doesn't yield as good as what field corn does, so they have to do this big formula to calculate our adjusted yield.
Wow.
And it is a competitive contract, so where your field places against the other fields of the same variety has a big outcome on what your final adjusted yield is.
And how many acres do you guys do?
So we farm about 2,700 acres, and about 1,200 of that is seed corn.
Wow. And in this area, what county are we in?
St. Joseph.
St. Joseph. And St. Joseph is like known for seed corn fields?
Yeah, there's more seed corn grown in this county than anywhere else in the world.
Wow. Because like a lot of, I film a lot in Washtenaw County, Lenawee County, Monroe County, Fulton County in Ohio, Williams County in Ohio. Today I'm heading down to Notre Dame. I go down to Purdue, so I film some Indiana stuff down there when I come back. And but this, I think I filmed a farmer last year in St. Joseph, but never seed farming. This is the first time I'm filming seed, but yeah, I can believe it. I was wondering, because I saw like the shorter stalks, like when I was driving down 131, I was wondering what type of corn that was.
Right.
So now I know.
So it's missing, like there's 4 rows standing, and then there'll be a row missing, like that row next to the corn.
Yeah.
Smashed down. And that was the male corn. Hang on just a second here, I'll let you see it. Oh, you're stuffing empty. I didn't make it, Scott.
How heavy is it right now?
Right now I've got 25,000 counting pounds.
Oh wow, and there's the video monitor right
Hurry
there.
up so we don't have to wait on the pivot.
How much can it hold? Is it maxed out?
No, it depends on the corn. Some corn yields better than others. And then,
And what's the correct term? A dump cart?
dump cart, yep.
Do you use that for regular field corn?
Yep.
Or just the seed?
Just the seed corn.
Just the seed.
Yep.
I also film up in the thumb area, up like in the big fields up there, and the windmills and the sugar beets.
Yeah.
and everything. So I see dump carts very similar to this one.
Yep. So back to the whole male corn thing. The male is used to pollinate the female.
Okay.
And then once pollination is done, then we destroy the male so that the only thing left is the female, which is what they are wanting. We're creating a hybrid corn.
Okay.
So we're taking two different kinds of corn, and the end product is a combination of the two.
Huh.
Two different inbreds.
And when do you destroy the male, that row?
So that was done about a month ago.
And is that like a specific machine that goes down?
Yep. It's we take one of our sprayers and take the spray boom off of it, and then we have another attachment that goes on it that it looks like a giant paddle wheel, like
wow.
If you think of a paddle wheel boat. It has a giant paddle wheel and made of steel, and those big baskets roll on the ground, and they're heavy enough that it just mashes it down. Cuts it up into little chunks.
Wow. You guys got a nice morning.
Right?
I'm not
It's
sure.
supposed to be a nice day.
Yeah. You ever miss the truck?
Oh yeah, the last one that I loaded, some of it went out the other side. It happens.
Yeah, corn spills.
It's much easier to pick up when it's on the ear than shell corn. But...
Yeah, for sure. Just chuck it back in.
Right.
Now the maintenance on this dump cart, something you have to maintain all the time. Are they pretty durable, or do they break down?
They're durable. Pretty much the only things that we have to do is keep them greased, and then periodically change like wheel bearings.
You gotta move right.
Huh.
Tires, checking air in the tires and stuff like that.
Do you know the price tag of one of those things?
Last I knew they were around 70,000 a piece new.
Wow. And what type of combine do you guys run?
For our combine, we run a John Deere.
What model number?
It's a S680.
Okay, cool.
Give
Oh,
it a ticket.
there you go. Have a great day. Oh, that's cool. Well, it's fast paced. That is so cool. Wow, look at that dump cart. 1516 Oxbo. We're gonna get the pole out. We're gonna take a high video here. great day. There we go. Wow, that's so cool. 8:18 in the morning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. God bless.